Welcome to Online Learning with SiteSafe. This video will show you what to expect from the online learning modules. Once logged in, start by selecting any two modules. Each module should take you approximately 20 minutes to complete. You'll need to do two modules to complete the online section of the course. Modules are made up of 5 to 6 parts. You can work at your own pace, exploring the interactive content, reviewing the learning material, and listening to the audio. Once you're in the module, you'll work through the interactive content step by step. At the end of each part, you'll need to complete a review of understanding question. You'll need to get all of the review of understanding questions right before you can finish the module. Make sure you navigate back to review the content if you are unsure of the right answer. If you need help at any stage with how to use the online system, click on the Help button in the top right-hand corner of the screen. If you need to stop, all your progress will be saved, so you can log out at any time and pick up where you left off. Now that you know all the ins and outs of Passport plus Flexi, online plus classroom, you can get started by booking online at sitesafe.org.nz.